In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gumroad username. If you're rebranding, simplifying your handle, or just want something that's easier to share, updating your Gumroad username is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by logging into your Gumroad account in a web browser. While you can access Gumroad on mobile, making account changes is usually easiest on a desktop, where the menus are more visible. Make sure you're on the official Gumroad site and signed into the correct account you want to update. Once you're in, head to your account settings. Look for the Settings option in your account menu, then open the Profile section. This is where all your public-facing information lives, including your display name, bio, and the username we're updating today. If you have multiple tabs within Settings, be sure you're on Profile so the username field is visible. Find the field labeled Username and type the new name you want to use. Your username becomes part of your public profile URL, so choose something that's clear, on-brand, and easy to remember. Keep it short if possible, and avoid special characters that might not be allowed. Usernames generally need to be unique, so if your first choice is taken, try a small variation that still looks professional and consistent with your brand. It's a good idea to double-check spelling and capitalization before saving. While URLs are typically lowercase, your handle should still look the way you want across your storefront and links. After you've entered your new username, click Update Settings to save the change. If the username is available, you should see a confirmation and your profile will update. If you get an error saying it's already in use or doesn't meet the requirements, adjust the name and try again. Once saved, your public profile URL will reflect the new username, so consider testing the link in a new tab to make sure everything loads correctly. If you use your Gumroad link on social media, in newsletters, or on your website, plan to refresh those links so your audience can find you without confusion. That's all it takes. Log in, go to Settings and then Profile, enter your new username, and click Update Settings. With a thoughtful handle and a quick save, your storefront will be easier to share and more aligned with your brand. Thanks for watching and happy selling.